Hey guys, my name's Matt. Welcome to Cowbell Farm. Today's video, we're gonna see if we can wrap up the first of our second cutting hay and get what we have on the ground raked into windrows, baled up on the wagon and in the barn. While Stacy and I were heading off to farmer's market to take care of some business this morning, Logan stayed home and he got the New Holland 268 small square baler hooked up to the International Farmall 460. Got a wagon hooked up, so that's all ready to go. He also got the Farmall Super M hooked up to our New Holland 56 roll bar rake. Once the dew burned off, he came out and raked everything into windrows. So we're gonna take a walk out and see what kind of condition the windrows are in, see if they're dry enough or not. There is a nice breeze, sun's in and out with clouds today. So hopefully it'll be dry enough we can get baling here in the next hour or so. Well, on the surface, it doesn't look too awful bad. Let's find a heavy spot in the windrow and get down in and see what it feels like. Yeah, it's still a little gummy. You get down in the bottom. Oh, let me check one more spot. How about over here? Yeah. Might have to have them come out and flip this with the rake. Get the bottom side of the windrow up to hopefully get a little more air movement through it. I think that's what we might have to do. got a little bit of a mess. We got some broken bales out of the chamber, and it looks like the twine got hung up on this bill hook here. So I gotta see if I can get in there with a knife and cut that off of there. Got most of it off of there, or at least cut loose. I think that ought to be good. Now we'll just make sure the bill hook roller is still inside the spring plate that it rides in. It all looks good there. All right, let's see what happens. We're back in business. Well, we got it all baled. The counter on the baler says 108 bales, minus a few broken ones. I'm guessing there's somewhere in around 100 bales between the two wagons. The last couple weeks to try to get any kind of second cutting hay has been pretty challenging, to say the least. I mean, we've had rain every other day, it seems like, or every day. And this was the best stretch we've had so far, and it wasn't even really the best. You know, temperatures in the upper 70s, rather high humidity. It just doesn't want to dry. Yeah, there's a nice breeze, but still just not what we need. We need some nice 85, 90 degree days. Those are good hay drying days. So we'll see what happens for the rest of it. We do have another, I don't know, probably 15 acres of second cutting we'd like to get done, but we'll see what happens. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day. We'll see you next time.